A large kingdom of mice lived in constant fear of cats. In their gatherings, the mice often discussed plans to get rid of the cats and repeatedly suggested tying a bell around the cat's neck. Many attempts were made, but the plans failed because the bell was too heavy or made noise, and some mice even lost their lives. A clever and brave mouse named Jojo decided to adopt a practical strategy instead of relying on empty speeches from the elders. He formed a secret plan with his friends Chun Chun, Gugu, and Chomko. They collected drops of fragrance from different flowers and gathered them into a golden vial. On the birthday of the cat Mono Champa, the four friends risked their lives and attended the celebration. At first, the cats intended to eat them, but Jojo presented the perfume as a gift. Impressed by the fragrance, Mono Champa became pleased and forgave the mice. After that, whenever the cat stepped out wearing the perfume, the mice could smell it from afar and became alert, thus keeping themselves safe through wisdom. Moral: great problems are solved not merely through talk, but through intelligence, wisdom, and careful.